Hi guys, welcome back to Deal Stories on this beautiful Cyber Monday. We have amazing products to show you guys today. So what I'm actually leaning on is our cake stand. So if you guys were able to watch our live maybe a few weeks back, we did a review on this. This blew up. And when I tell you it blew up, it literally blew up. And the reason why is because you get 300 pieces in this beautiful cake stand. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you so that you guys can see all of the unique pieces you get, because I am not a baker, but if I were to get this cake stand with 300 pieces, it would probably turn me into a baker, to be honest. So of course we have all of the pieces that are in here, and you know what, I absolutely adore this, and I take a lot of pride in priding others who bake, because this isn't an easy task. So first off, when you open it up, you're going to just see that there's so many things in there. Let's go ahead and take them out slowly. So of course you do have your cake brushes. I know with the brushes you can do cool designs with it, you can do feathers with it, you can do sprinkles on the cake. I don't know, use your imagination. Look at how many brushes you get. This is absolutely crazy. Let me just count how many brushes you get. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 brushes. 15 brushes that already come in the set. What? If you were to go to Michael's and get the brushes, they're probably like $4 to $5 a brush each. So that is a deal. On top of that, now we got our little silicone pads here. In all honesty, I don't know what the silicone pad is really used for, but hey, if you guys are bakers out there, chime in and tell me what this is for. I don't know if you hold things in it or maybe do a design. Whew, really shows where my culinary skills are. Okay, then of course you get these beauties right here. Look at how cool these are. Obviously, when you have your cake, you're going to go ahead and do the icing, spread it out. So it looks like you get 3 different sizes, or 2 of the same, and then you get one that's a little bit smaller. Oh, very nice. This is a good deal right here. Okay, then of course you get your little cupcakes. This is good too, because I'll tell you, you go to Walmart, you buy one of these, they're like $5 each. So this is good that you get your own little cupcake muffin cups. On top of that, we have some more cool things. Ooh, look at that. We also have a spreader. So it looks like we actually have 4 of these that you guys can actually choose from. That's absolutely great. Then, of course, you get these, which is, I believe, your little designs. And it looks like it does come in a pack of 2. So, of course, if you want to go ahead and create your own designs, there's different ones on each angle of this metal plate. And of course, this one I would believe is a straight topper, where you can actually have it straight and flat. I would assume so. Whatever it may be, the accessories are there. Okay. Now, of course, ooh, look at this. You do get measuring spoons. You definitely need to bake with that. So you know exactly, 1 teaspoon, 15 mLs are going into your cake. This is exactly what I need, especially for a beginner baker. Lovely. Okay. Oh, these are the piping bags. So let me just double check to see how many piping bags you actually get in here, because you do get 300 pieces. So, ooh, here we go. So you get 100 disposable muffin cups. Ooh, and you get 100 disposable piping bags. Girl, you are set. And of course, you do have the piping nozzles. Are these the nozzles? And look at how cool these are. I definitely need to start baking, because I could be making some really cool cakes. Look at this. Oh my goodness. You have a circle. You have like this weird like crown shape. I don't know if you guys can see that. You have these little star shapes. You just have so many to choose from. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. I could create an absolutely cool looking cake. You have so many that comes in these. These are, how many of these come? Bagging ties, paintbrushes. Okay, got it. got it. So you get 30 stainless steel icing tips. That's absolutely crazy. I don't know how many icing tips you would get in an actual package, but for you to get the amount that you're getting for the price that you're getting it for, that's absolutely genius. So these are the piping tips right here. I'm going to go ahead and just place them back so that we can put them in the bag. And on top of that, we have more things. We do have an icer for your icing, a spatula, and of course you do have more designs here as well. And these ones, so you have the icing spatula, cake leveler, that was a cake leveler, and look at these cool designs. Like, you can't tell me this is super funky. Look at all of that. That is so cool. These little metal plates. You can do so many creative ideas. Isn't that super cool? Yes, yes. So if you know a baker in your life and you know that they would definitely appreciate this, or someone who's a junior, beginner, or even an intermediate baker, this would be great. Look at that. That's a cake. Don't drag me in the comments. But this is a cake straightener, like, you know, when you make it straight. Let me know what it is, but you get one of those. And then on top of that, you get these cool little cookie cutters. You get 6 of them. Oh, that is so cool. Look at these cookie cutters. You get 6 of them that you can just make your own designs. You can put it together as a flower. And of course, you get these little cool scissors. I'm not sure what they would be used for, but this material is plastic. Okay. It looks like you get a cleaner for these things. These ones are the steel icing tips. So the cleaner for the steel icing tips, which is great. So you don't have to go out of your way to buy your own cleaner. And oh my gosh, look at this. We have larger icing tips. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. So it looks like these icing tips are the same as the smaller ones, but these are the sizes that you get. So you have your options to go big or to go small. That is absolutely convenient. I love this set already just because, like I told you, I am a beginner baker. So if I were to bake a cake, I wouldn't even know where to start. Maybe just having my measuring cups and maybe having one of these and then just seeing where it goes from there. But it's all about what's in the cake and the flavoring, right? Okay, and you have, what is this, a nozzle? And it looks like, ooh, you can put your icing. What a genius. So it looks like you can put your icing in there, slab it in there, has different icing holes. Oh, look at that. That's a star design. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Then one's a bigger hole, a smaller hole. Put your icing in there, and then, of course, you're just going to go ahead and ice the cake. Or you can even create letters like happy birthday. That is absolutely genius. This is so good to have something like this because I'll tell you, if you don't know what you're doing, this will help you out. Okay, then of course we do have these. So I noticed this plastic bag here, I wasn't 1000% sure what it is, but now I'm noticing what it is. It's actually, what is this again? This is a piping bag that you can put these heads into. Oh, got it. So you can use that plastic one as a head, or you can use one of the stainless steel ones as well. And then it looks like it comes with these rings so that you can attach them together so it doesn't become loose. And then, of course, for the last reveal here, we actually have the cake stand. So this cake stand is made out of stainless steel aluminum cake turnable stand. As you could see, you could have your cake in there. You can go ahead and get it flattened out with the thing. You can make your own designs. You can even grab one of these, turn it around, have some fun with it, or you can even put your cupcakes on there as a display. Beautiful. So I really like this one. So right here, when we go to the size of it, so this is a 12-inch turnable aluminum alloy cake stand. It is absolutely very nice. It does have a non-slip bottom, which will stand in place without sliding. So this is actually really, really amazing. All I see here is so many good comments of people stating they wish they had purchased this earlier, before they spent so much money at other places, like the piping bags, the spatula, you know, the little cupcake holders, even the brushes. So if you are a beginner, an intermediate baker, or someone just wanting to learn like myself, I would definitely take advantage of this deal. So this is the 300-piece set cake decorating kit. And of course, because it's Cyber Monday, please go ahead and use our code Dealstories to get discounts on this amazing product, because I'll tell you, 27 days before Christmas, you may want to get this to someone on your list who is interested in baking, or is a true baker themselves, because this would blow them out of the water. So remember, use our code Dealstories so that you can go ahead and take advantage of these amazing deals, because these deals are not going to last.